Hey everybody, it's Greenwood again with another tutorial video. In the last video, we talked about multiplying binomials by binomials, so two term by two term. This time we're going to talk about multiplying binomials times trinomials, so two terms times three terms. So we're going to find out what the answer is. What is the quantity x plus 3 times the quantity x squared minus 2x minus 3? And we'll use this area model to illustrate that. So x times x squared is going to be x to the third power. So remember, x squared is xx, and that's how we've been writing it in class. Or x times x. X to the third just means x, 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 or x times x times x. Okay, so this is that shorthand to represent that, x times x times x. X times negative 2x is going to be negative 2x squared. You see I'm putting the subtract or the negative sign inside the box this time just to kind of help organize myself. X times negative 3 is negative 3x for the purple box. And here we'll go 3 times x squared is going to be 3x squared. That looks like a 1. That's better. 3 times negative 2x is going to be negative 6x. And 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Okay, so now we're going to combine all of our like terms. And remember, like terms have to have the same exponent and the same variable. So I can combine x squareds, I can combine x to the first powers, but I couldn't combine like an x squared and an a squared because they're different variables even though they have the same power. So that leaves me with x to the third power minus 2x squared. That looked like a 2. Struggling with 2s today. Minus 3x plus 3x squared. So I'm going, let's see. So I want red, yellow, purple, blue. Now I'll go orange. Minus 6x minus 9. And the order here really doesn't matter that I write them in. But when I write my final answer, I need it to be in order from highest exponent to lowest exponent. So the highest exponent is 3. I've got a 2 and a 1 and a 2 and a 1 exponent. And here I've got a constant, so no exponent. So that would be last. So I'm going to combine my like terms. So I'm noticing that I've got this and this. I'm underlining in purple. And then in orange, I'm going to underline this and that because they're both x to the first power. And then I've only got one x cubed, and then I've got one constant term. So we're left with x to the third power. So negative 2x plus 3x, or excuse me, negative 2x squared plus 3x squared. Add the coefficients. Negative 2 plus 3 is 1, so plus 1x squared. And you can just write x squared. That's a little more proper, but I'll help you here with the plus 1. Combine the x's, so negative 3x and negative 6x. So negative 3 minus 6 gives me negative 9x, and then minus 9. Okay, so now I've got a third degree polynomial, x cubed plus 1x squared minus 9x minus 9. All right, so now I'm going to give you one. You can pause the video here in a second, and let's go x plus 2. And I can just slide my video down just a little bit there. Yeah, that'll work. And I'll let you pause it and try it. Let's go 2x squared minus 3x plus 1, and we'll go to small numbers. So pause the video, try this one, and then when you come back, I'll give you the solution. Okay, hopefully that went well for you. And we'll go over this one. So again, x times 2x squared is going to be 2x cubed. X squared, remember, is xx. X squared times x would be xxx, or x cubed. X times negative 3x is going to be negative 3x squared is the shorthand. And I better make that look like a squared so you don't get confused when you come back to look at it, right? X squared, that's better. And then x times 1 is just 1x, or x. 2 times 2x squared is going to be 4x squared. 2 times negative 3x is going to be negative 6x. And 2 times 1 is going to be 2. All right, so we'll draw a little line right here so we don't get confused with our two problems. And we'll slide over here. So remember, we're asking what is x plus 2 as a group? times the quantity 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. Move my face out of the way here. So after we've done all this, we're going to look at our boxes and add them together. So we have 2x cubed in the red minus 3x squared in the yellow plus 1x, which I didn't write the 1 this time, and we can do it either way, in the purple, plus 4x squared in the blue minus 6x in the orange plus 2 in the green. Let's look for like terms. I've got an x squared here and an x squared there. And I've got an x to the first power here and an x to the first power there. So let's combine. So we're going to get 2x to the third power. And then negative 3 plus 4 is 1. So plus 1 x squared or plus x squared. And in the purple, we've got a 1x and a minus 6x is going to give us negative 5 because 1 minus 6 is negative 5x. And then plus 2. And there you be. Hopefully that one worked out well for you. You came up with the correct solution there. If you have questions, let me know on the help desk, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.